I will weigh 'em. Hello? This is a test.
Yeah. You put out your resistor? Wall 374, project 30078.
Wall 374, project 30078. Wall 374. No sticks. Please.
That's to shut off the mouth there, huh?
What?
That's to shut my mouth when he slapped that down.
No, that's to start it. All right, General, go ahead.
This test, I think, went very well. I was quite interested in how the troops reacted. I didn't find any soldier there who was afraid. They were all, the ones who hadn't seen a bomb before, were a little apprehensive, but there was no sigh of relief when the thing went off, and no great exuberance, which comes from falling being scared. In other words, as far as the soldier reaction to the thing, I would say they took it in their stride as American soldiers take all things of danger or things that they have been told about and oriented on. The troops moved out just as soon as the safety officers pronounced it safe and went out in good formation. Last I saw of them, they were pretty well up toward ground zero.
All right, thank you very much.
Bill Hodge, what would you say was the main reaction of the troops there in the trenches as they were waiting for the bomb to go off?
Well, the reaction of the troops in the trenches, they did exactly what they were told to do. They showed good discipline, which was good sense in this case. Any man stuck his head up, there was trouble in store for him.
And they seemed to take all the discipline very well.
They did indeed.
And how did they move out when the order was given to move out into
Moved
the...
out very promptly in good formation.
And they maintained tight formation. And you think that this training that they have received, that you have received the training that these men got there, will that be beneficial in any other time they may come across atomic attacks?
Yes, it'll be beneficial to them and also to their buddies when they go back to units, so they can tell them about this thing.
We would need trained soldiers. Now that atomic weapons are definitely here, we certainly need the trained soldiers to know what to do and to pass the word on not only to the people in the armed forces but to the civilians as well.
That
right,
is
sir?
correct, and we need the soldier to understand this weapon so we can use it intelligently.
Any other thing that you'd like to bring out about it?